So there's this belief out there that learning languages is easier when you're a kid, and this is because their brains are more flexible and they can pick things up faster than an adult brain can. This is actually a myth. There is no difference in the ability of an adult or a child to learn a language. It is unclear where this myth came from, but it's really pervasive. If you think, for example, about an immigrant family coming into a country where they speak a different language, the children are usually the ones that pick it up faster, and the adults sometimes struggle. And this has contributed to the concept that children pick languages up faster than their parents do. There's actually several things happening here. The first is that usually children use a lot less vocabulary and a lot simpler grammar than adults do. That means that they can communicate faster in a new language. Another thing to consider is that children are usually learning in an organized and structured environment. They're usually in school, where there's a teacher, there are books, there are videos that they can watch, whereas when an adult is trying to learn a new language, they're usually doing it at home by themselves on the computer. There's been studies done that show that if you put a child and an adult in the same learning environment, they learn just as fast. Another thing to consider is usually when children are learning a new language, they can make a lot of mistakes, but they don't really care. Whereas when an adult is learning a new language and they make mistakes, they can get very discouraged. So if you're an adult trying to learn a new language and you want to be successful at it, I recommend attending a structured program where you can have people to practice with, teachers that can help you, and books that can guide you.